Roofing is one of the most important aspects of any home. It not only protects the structure and contents of your home from the elements but also adds to the aesthetic appeal of your home. A well-maintained roof can last for decades, so it's important to make sure that yours is in good condition. When it comes to curb appeal, your roof plays a big role. It is one of the first things people see when they look at your house, so it's important to make sure it looks good. Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home. It protects you from the elements and keeps your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It will last for many years, but a poorly maintained can cause problems that are expensive to fix. It is important to have a professional inspect them regularly to make sure that it is in good condition. If you live in an area with severe weather, it is especially important to keep it in good repair. Severe weather can damage your roof and lead to leaks or other problems. If you are considering buying a new home, be sure to have them inspected by a professional before making an offer. A bad roof can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, so it is important to know what you are getting into before you purchase a home.